Chapter 4.3 Mauryas in 324 to 180 BCE. The Mauryan Empire was the first great empire of India. Under their regime or rule, a number of small kingdoms were united and brought under a single rule. India achieved political unity for the first time. The Mauryans not only liberated or freed northwestern part of India from the foreign rule, but also brought uniform administration which continued for several centuries. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of this dynasty or the Mauryan dynasty. Pataliputra or modern Patna, that is the city in Bihar, was their capital or Mauryan Empire's capital. Dharmachakra was a royal emblem. Origin. There are many theories regarding the origin of Chandragupta Maurya. Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasa calls Chandragupta Maurya as Mayura Sutta. The Jain literature says that he belonged to a tribe of Mayura Poshakas or peacock tamers. So this peacock tamer means there are some group who train and domesticate peacock. And the third, the word Maurya is derived from Mura, supposed to be the concubine of Nanda, king of Magadha. Fourth, according to the Buddhist literature Mahavamsha, Chandragupta Maurya was the Kshatriya clan known as Maurya, which ruled at Pipalavana. Many historians have accepted this opinion. Let's see what are the sources with regarding to the Maurya's empire. The important sources which help us to know about the history of Mauryans are Arthashastra of Kautilya, Indica of Megasthenes, Mudrakshasa of Vishakadatta, Ashokan Edict, Monuments, Ceylonic chronicles, that is in Sri Lankan's literature, Deepavamsha and Mahavamsha. Chandragupta Maurya, 324 to 300 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Mauryan dynasty. However, very little is known about him. He had lost his father. Chandragupta Maurya has lost his father, was taken away or was brought up by Chanakya. With regarding to Chanakya, you all know that this Chanakya is same as Kautilya, who wrote the book Arthashastra. So this Chanakya, a Brahmin of Takshashila, which is now it is in Pakistan, this Takshila. So Chanakya, a Brahmin of Takshashila, who gave him the necessary education. He helped Chandragupta Maurya in the establishment of Mauryan Empire. With regard to the conquest of Punjab and Magadha, Chandragupta built a strong army under the guidance of Chanakya. Chandragupta defeated the petty rules or small rules of Punjab and captured this place. Thereafter, he marched against Magadha. So firstly he defeated the Punjab petty rules and later he marched against Magadha. He killed Dhanananda, the last ruler of Nandas, who this Chandragupta Maurya, and ended his oppressive rule. So there was a rule of Dhanananda. So this Chandragupta Maurya has ended Dhanananda's rule and laid the foundation of Mauryan Empire. War with Seleucus. Alexander had established his suzerainty or relationship over the northwestern part of India and had nominated his representative, who's Alexander's representative, to rule over them. Chandragupta Maurya defeated them and annexed or add to one's own territory. Annex means adding to one's own territory. So this Chandragupta Maurya defeated them, whom this Alexander and representatives who settled in northwestern part of India and annexed the territories to his empire. That means Chandragupta Maurya's empire or Mauryan dynasty. After Alexander's death, Seleucus became the master of the Greek Empire over Central Asia. In 305 BCE, Seleucus crossed the Indus to reconquer Alexander's Indian possessions, so Alexander's Indian owned land. Chandragupta Maurya defeated him, whom is Seleucus. Hence, Seleucus had to conclude a treaty with him. Accordingly, Seleucus gave Chandragupta Maurya a large territory which included Kabul, Afghanistan, Kandahar and Balochistan. He also gave his daughter, Seleucus' daughter, in marriage to Chandragupta Maurya. In return, Chandragupta Maurya presented him with 500 elephants trained in warfare. Seleucus maintained friendly relations with Mauryas and sent Megasthenes, he was the Greek historian, as an ambassador to Pataliputra or modern Patna or a city in Bihar. It is said that Chandragupta Maurya undertook many other military conquests and established large empire, but we do not have a clear picture of all such conquests. Similarly, the extent of his empire cannot be clearly demarcated or separated. According to Jain tradition, in the last days of Chandragupta Maurya's reign or rule, Chandragupta abdicated or rejected the throne and embraced or held Jainism under the influence of Jain scholars Bhadrabahu. So in the previous chapter we have learned that Chandragupta Maurya along with Bhadrabahu migrated to Shravanabelagola. So this Bhadrabahu is the spiritual teacher of Chandragupta Maurya. So he spent his last days, Chandragupta Maurya spent his last days at Shravanabelagola in Karnataka and died by performing Sallekana in 300 BCE. Sallekana means nirvana, or they are preparing for death without eating and drinking. The hill on which he stayed is known as Chandragiri and the temple built by him as Chandragupta Basadi. Kautilya or Chanakya. Kautilya was a famous statesman of ancient India. He was also known by other names Chanakya and Vishnugupta. He played an important role in dethronement. Dethronement means what? Removal of throne. So, this Chandragupta Maurya played an important role in dethronement of Nandas and the establishment of Mauryan Empire. He was also largely responsible for setting up a well-organized administrative system. Kautilya wrote Arthashastra in Sanskrit. Dr. Shama Shastri, the librarian of Oriental Research Institute in Mysore, discovered the text in 1905 and published its English version in 1909. Its content can be divided into three main parts. Number 1. The first part deals with the king, his councils and the government. The second part deals with civil and criminal law. And the third part deals with the interstate law, diplomacy and war. Arthashastra or Kautilya's written book Arthashastra outlines the 7 limbs of the state, that's what known as Saptanga, which you have heard in political science in India's foreign policy, Saptanga theory. So the 7 limbs of the state or Saptanga, namely Raja kingship, Mantri council, Janapada population and land, Durga fort, Kosha treasury, Bala army and Mitra allies or friend. Next, Bindusara. The successor of Chandragupta Maurya was his son Bindusara. So Chandragupta's son is Bindusara. So this Bindusara ruled from 300 to 273 BCE. So nothing much is known about him. Bindusara. So next comes his son